Okay, so we're going to talk today about embeds. And embeds are a way to have start to start or finish to finish logic uh, in your NetPoint plan. So I'm just going to create a generic activity here, something for us to put embeds onto. And you can see up here we have a start embed and a finish embed. So let's take a look at how those work. If we were going to do a start embed, we could do it all the way down on the start node. We can actually do it anywhere in the bar, but typically you do it in the first half of the bar. And any time you offset it from the start, then that's going to be uh, setting up a lag within the activity and the connection. So now we have this embed here, and then we're going to add an activity above it, and we'll call that link lag. And so then we're going to link these two together. So let's select the embed, and then select the activity, and then click the link. Oh, how can that be? Oh, because it's in the wrong place logically. Okay, well, let's fix that. Logically, if you're going to do this start to start, you have to have the start down here. So we're going to link those two together and click the start. Now they're linked together, and you can see we have this link lag can actually be a driver on the network, or it can be driven by activity itself. And you can adjust the location of the embed on the activity, and that will change your lag. So let's do it with a finish to finish as well. We'll do a finish embed here and drop it right here. So our lag here is, 34 days. Okay. And following the same logic that we used before, then this one should end before the embed. So we'll call this finish lag. And we'll link these two together. So finish lag links to the finish embed. And now we have that finish relationship with a lag. And as we push forward, you can see it can drive the network or be driven by the network. Now there's a lot built into these embeds. For instance, take a look here. You can have it be a percentage or a number of days. You can have it be constant or proportionate, reverse, or variable. Now, a lot of these use cases are very rare. If you're going to be doing a risk analysis, Monte Carlo analysis with a network that has embeds in it, you would want to use the variable so that it can move as the durations change in the risk analysis. You can run calculations lag from start or lag from finish. And of course, you have control over the color of the embed itself. So that's a quick look at how you use embeds to create different types of relationships within the network within NetPoint. Thanks a lot.